Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Geek Spiral K. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating concepts in programming, recursion. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a clear explanation, this video is for you, so let's get started. Recursion is when a function calls itself to solve smaller chunks of a bigger problem. Think of it like looking into two mirrors facing each other. The same image keeps repeating. Sounds cool, right? The key idea is to break down a problem into smaller, more manageable parts until it's simple enough to solve directly. This is called the base case. Let's take an example to see recursion in action, calculating the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number, n, is the product of all positive integers up to n. Mathematically, it's written as n and defined like this. If n are 0, then 0 power 1, this is the base case. Otherwise, notice how we're breaking the problem into smaller pieces until we reach the base case. That's recursion. Now let's write this in Python. Here's how a recursive factorial function looks. First we call the base case. Now we call the recursive case. When you call factorial 5, Python will keep calling the function with smaller numbers until it hits the base case, then work its way back up, multiplying as it goes. Recursion is powerful, but there are a couple of things to watch out for. No base case. If you forget the base case, the function will keep calling itself forever, leading to a Stack Overflow error. Incorrect logic. If the recursive call doesn't move towards the base case, the function will also go into an infinite loop. So always ensure your recursion has a clear base case and that it's correctly reducing the problem size. You might wonder, why use recursion when we can just use loops? Well, recursion is especially handy for problems that naturally break into smaller sub-problems like calculating factorials, solving Fibonacci sequences, searching through trees or graphs, dividing and conquering in algorithms like quicksort or merge sort. It's an elegant solution for many challenges. And that's recursion in a nutshell. Remember, start with a base case, break the problem into smaller pieces, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech content. Comment below with your questions or ideas for our next video. See you next time.